89 जो भी है, it's okay. So now I am requesting all the learners to write their name, program code, and enrollment number in the chat box, so that your attendance will be recorded. Okay, I think it's clear to all of you. Now I am requesting Dr. Susmita Patnaik to address the meeting and to present his views. Welcome, madam, and it's over to you.
Thank you, sir, for giving to me for views political. So here, regarding the MPSC political theory chapter 1, we are having different type of your chapters are there. So before I am proceeding about the political theory or political chapter, I myself can say that I am Dr. Susmita Patnaik, having my qualification MA, MPhil, PhD in political science, and an extension in Master in Business Administration, and I am having the 15 years experience in Calicut Autonomous College. So let's talk about the chapter about your character. Susmita Swine. I am telling to Susmita Swine and Orpita Swine. Okay. So regarding your political theory, we are having many chapters are there like political violence, your justice, liberty, your right, citizenship, and everything is there. So as a pioneer of political science, we should have knowledge about what you mean the political theory. This is the last unit of our APSC paper 1, your book 1 chapter. So if you are having understand about what you mean by the political theory, the political and your applications political theory world, then you can switch over to the different your unit pattern that may be categorized your MPSC paper 1 books. So first of all, as a common students of political science.
Excuse me, madam. Excuse me, madam.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, madam. Your voice is breaking. Your voice is breaking. It's not clear.
Okay.
Your voice is breaking.
Okay, sir. I am taking the help of earphones, sir.
All the students. Okay. All the students are requested to write their name, program code, and enrollment number in the chat box. Only 3-4 persons have written till now.
Sir, enrollment number. Hello, sir.
Yes. Enrollment number, program code, and your name.
Enrollment number कोठू ये करिवो enrollment number हम फॉर्म नहीं नहीं
तुमको आई कार्ड तो मिली अरे आई कार्ड जोरा मिली सेटा लिखो
क्यों नहीं
आई कार्ड जोरा मिली जी
नहीं आई कार्ड तो डाउनलोड करिनु
आई कार्ड जोरा मिली जी हां और तमे एनरोलमेंट नंबर लिखो न जानि जो तारे ना प्रोग्राम कोड लिखो जति जान लिखो सेटा जो तुमको रजिस्ट्रेशन क्लाउड रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर मिलो से नंबरटा लिखो न
सर ईमेल आसी से सब
नो नेसरी थिवा रजिस्ट्रेशन
मैडम कोन हला की
सर सुबुजी तो
हां सुबुजी ठीक
ना क्लियर होनी की
ना एबे क्लियर हला के माने मधे रे ब्रेक होतला तो टिके नेटवर्क आसन ठीक रे की
नहीं नेटवर्क अछि एबे देखिले हेलो
हां ठीक अछि बे हां ठीक अछि कोन
ठीक अछि हेलो
हां मैडम ठीक अछि
ब्रेक हेले वॉइस कहि देबे सर
हां ए और कितनी मैडम मु कहि से अर्पिता साई के निज माइट म्यूट करो अर्पिता साई नीरज दास माइक म्यूट करो। ओके मैडम कंटिन्यू।
बिगिनिंग रात्रि जीबी।
हाँ ठीक है। हाँ नहीं करो
ओके जीबो so students, we are having an interesting topic that is that the political theory. And in political theory, we are having different chapters and different units are there, starting from your political violence, your civil disobedience, satyagraha, your right, equality, everything is there. But science, we should have knowledge about what do I mean by politics, political theory, and political theory. If having knowledge about the meaning of the political theory and political philosophy, then we cannot categorize or we cannot understand about the meaning of the political theory. So, as an expert of this field, nearly 15 years of having experience in Calicut Autonomous College, I am very much pleased to share my knowledge and share my experience regarding the political theory. So, let's start about what is the meaning of political theory. So, besides this, first of all, we have to introduce about what do you mean by political or what do you mean by politics. So, in our total your slides, we have to cover about the meaning of political theory, differences between political theory and political thought, differences between political theory and political philosophy, and there are two approaches are there. The two may be called as that the major approaches are there. One is called as that the traditional approaches, and the second one is called as that the modern approaches. So in traditional approaches, we are having again categorized different type of approaches like that of historical approaches, legal approaches, philosophical approaches, etc. So in modern approaches, if you have any problem, then you can write me or chat me. So in modern approaches, we are having different your approaches are there, like system approaches, qualitative approaches, behavioral approaches, post-behavioral approaches, and different approaches are there. So first of all, the students of political science, we have to distinguish between politics, political, and political theory. So whenever I am asking you to the meaning of what do you mean by the politics, someone say it's politics in a positive concept, and someone says that politics is a negative concept. The first person we can say that the politics is a negative concept. He always insists on that stay away from politics, because politics is called as the dirty game, and politics may be called as that it may be called as a last resort of a scoundrel. What do you mean by the last resort of a scoundrel? If a person is an intelligent one, if a person is a qualified one, then he should not resource his knowledge in the practical politics. He always goes for the theoretical politics. Okay, so it may be called, hello. So it may be called as that the negative approaches regarding the politics. So politics means it may be contesting in the elections. It may be called as that the holding a seat, or it may be called as the holding of public services. So these things are called as that the things that are related with the political affairs, that is called as that the politics. Someone says that the politics is the game of manipulations and intrigue undertaken to pursue ambitions and satisfy wants. What is the meaning of politics? Is the game of manipulations. Game of manipulations means if you want or if you wish to get something, then with certain type of manipulations or certain type of your dirty intentions, you have to achieve. It means that anything you achieve with your own motive, or which may be called as that with your dirty motives. It may be cannot be called as that the positive motives. Take for example, in a hospital, if you are in a queue, it it means that your women queue and the male queue and the female queue. And sometimes we may be possess our we are physical handicap and we are having another. It means through the manipulation or through any type of your aspect, we may be want to achieve something. We may be want to achieve our objective. The politics. So, if this type of someone says that the politics is nothing, it is called as the defections. What is the meaning of defection? Defection is called as the horse trading. What is the trading? Trading means you can sweep up from one political party to the another political party in order to getting the political seat. Suppose you are in a Congress party, and if you want to be switch up to the BJP party, only to get one seat in the central government or in the state government. That is called as the party of the defection, or maybe called as the party of the horsepower. Then the second one is called the politics is nothing. It is called as the making of the false promises. What is the making of the false promises? Just like it's called at the time of the political elections. The different agendas are there and the political leaders are there. They are making different type of promise that if I will be in the seat, then I will do these things for you. So these are the false promises. And that next one is called is that doing scams. Scams like your C-SUSOR scam and different scams are there. So that are called as that your negative politics. But if we are considering the politics is the negative level, then no one is there who want to stay in the politics or who want to rest in the politics. So politics should be considered in the positive aspect. That means that someone may be remind here. I will remind here that someone says that politics is build a bridge where there is no river. It may be called as a mirage. It may be called as that the making possible in an impossible manner. Hello? Students, mute करंतु please.
Yes, madam.
कौन ला सर पिला वालों को sound सुन नहीं है?
No, ma'am.
Clear. Okay.
Ma'am, audible.
Can see it. Audible is checking. It is audible or not?
No, sir, not audible.
Totally not audible?
Ma'am, network is conflict.
Network is conflict.
Voice is breaking. Voice is breaking.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
सर क्लास पर हम कोड सुनि परिबो ए भिडियोटी
एटा सुनि परिबो आसी फोन करो
हेलो
तो फेसबुक साइट
हेलो
मैडम
अभी सुबुची की सर
अबे सुबुची ना नाइट
एक्चुअली मैंने म्यूट ना करते जो प्रॉब्लम हो जी
ये म्यूट करने मोटा
हाँ ए माने म्यूट ना करते जो मो प्रॉब्लम टा आसुची
हां हां
एक्चुअली वीडियो की वजह को नेट प्रॉब्लम हो जी की सर
हां नहीं आपण करन कि आस्ते
हां नहीं डाटा बेसी कंज्यूम होती है जो प्रॉब्लम हो जी
आपण को नेटवर्क नहीं ठीक रे
सर
आपण नेटवर्क अच्छे ठीक की
हां मोर नेटवर्क ठीक अछि ए माने ऑनलाइन
हां 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 एमाने समस्ते माइक म्यूट करंतु एवं वीडियो दरकार नै कि वीडियो ऑफ करंतु आपे चार्ट बसे आपण निजरो नेम प्रोग्राम कोड रोल नंबर लिखुन दैट्स एनफ it is not necessary to keep your video on and don't click on present now button जो अछि सेतरे के क्लिक करनुनी present now button is only for the presenter, that means the counselor, that is not for you. तो present button में के क्लिक करनुनी
सर स्टूडेंट को रिक्वेस्ट करछन दी ओडियो बोले भाई
keep your mind
हाँ सर
no ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଓଡିଆରେ କ୍ଲାସ ସେଥିପାଇଁ in English. So class will be only in English or Hindi.
स्टार्ट करिवे कि
मैं
स्टार्ट करिवे कि सर
हेलो
सर स्टार्ट करिवे कि
हाँ स्टार्ट करो मैडम
पिला मानको वीडियो ऑफ कर दिया कोन मे भी मते लागुची बेसी कंज्यूमेट्री होची जेतलो क्वेश्चंस करिवे सेतलो हां
हाँ बेसी कंज्यूम वीडियो ऑफ कर दियंतु वीडियो दरकार नहीं वीडियो माने बेसी तमन निज डाटा को कंज्यूम हबो हमर भी डाटा कंज्यूम हबो सेति में वीडियो इज नॉट नेसेसरी एब्सोल्युटली as you have written the your enrollment number and program code in the chat box, that is enough. Your present is there, so not necessary to keep your video on. अपने वीडियो सब ऑफ कर दो अलीबाग स्वाई keep your video off. अलीबाग वीडियो ऑफ कर दो ऑफ करो सुस्मिता सुश्री वीडियो ऑफ कर दो वीडियो ऑफ कर दो बस वीडियो ऑफ कर दो तब के जयदीप वीडियो ऑफ करो वीडियो ऑफ कर दो म्यूट करके रखो समस्ते आपण माने एटी शिखंदु टिके हाँ यू आर इन मास्टर डिग्री छोट पिला नुह ना आपण माने केते मु कहबी आपण माने समस्त वीडियो ऑफ करंतु आउ ऑडियो भी म्यूट करके रखंतु ओनली सुनंतु डिस्टर्बेंस किछ करंतु के भवेश सेन की आपण प्रेजेंट काय करछोंदी डोंट प्रेजेंट जो तळे जो बटन अछि प्रेजेंटेशन बाय से प्रेजेंट बटन ने क्लिक करंतु के येले भवेश सेन आपण बंद करंतु वीडियो आउ प्रेजेंटेशन बंद करंतु प्रेजेंट ऊपर क्लिक करंतु स्टॉप प्रेजेंटिंग करंतु हां okay madam now you can continue just I will be
Okay,
monitoring
thank you,
what is happening
सर जदी किछि मजे डिस्टरबेंस हला मते कहि देबे आसी
आज्ञा हां
आगे स्टार्ट करबी तो
yes madam
okay thank you sir and thank you students positively and negatively we are having two aspects of the politics. In the negative aspect it means that stay away from politics, and in positive ways politics means to do something for the society. So positively we can you can underline the word of your Nikita Khrushchev once he says that politics are same all over. They promise to build a bridge even where there is no river. What is the meaning of this? It means that making possible in an impossible world. It may be called as that making some social welfare to the society where there is the existence of the anarchy. So it may be called, if anyone is fear about the politics, that I will not do politics because politics is a dirty game, I will not do politics because politics is called as the last resource of a scoundrel, then somebody will be there who will do good for the society. So Mahatma Gandhi once says that politics is a type of your techniques or is a type of the philosophy. It depends upon its applications. If its application is the negative, then it maybe has the negative end, and its application is the positive, then it may be hit the positive end. So now come to about the origin of the politics. The word politics is derived from पिला माने मु तुमको एटा लास्ट चैप्टर पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी रे पढौची जेतु एटा पढिला परे अन्य चैप्टर जक तमे बुझी परिबो सेति लागि मु लास्ट यूनिट रो जो पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी मीनिंग एप्लीकेशंस नीड्स एई पर मु पढिला परे अन्य चैप्टर जक तुमको कवर करबी डायरेक्ट पॉलिटिकल वॉल्यूम्स को आसले तमे बुझिबो देन ओरिजिन The word politics is derived from the Greek word policy. The meaning of policy means it is a city-state. What is called as a city-state? City-states means called as a state. We are having different states are there in our union. So similarly in the Greek, as they are having the direct elections there, direct elections means nirvachana, direct elections are there. So there are different city-states are there. And there are different, your members are there who may be recognized as the citizen of the city-states. So they are directly involved or indirectly involved in the political affairs of the city-states. So regarding their activity of the citizens, everything that are relating to the policy, and from policy, the word is called the political science or the politics has come from. So we can say that policy means the city-state, which emphasize the activity of citizens in the role as members and operators of the state, where the term is politics. It means that we are having the two types of role. One is called as the member and second one is called as the organizer, or maybe called as the ruler, and second one is called as the ruled. Someone who is the ruled, ruled means the citizens are the ruled. Who is the ruler? The owner, or maybe called as the political leader, is called as the ruler. So here operator means the political leader, the members means the rule of the state. So regarding their activity, regarding their events, regarding everything that are written down in a book that is called as the policy, P-O-L-I-S. So from the word policy, the word your city-states has been coming from, and from the word the political science or political theory or political philosophy that are coming from. And the next slide that is called as that, we are having to understand about what do you mean by a theory. The word theory that is derived from the word that is called as theoria. Theoria. T-H-E-O-R-I-A. What do you mean by the theoria? Theoria means it is called as the hypothesis. What is called as a hypothesis? It is called as a speculations. Speculations, what do you mean by speculations? Speculations mean just like maybe called as it is a type of guess. Okay, sometimes what will happen, we are having any event, take for example corona. Okay, so in corona we are having a guess or in hypothesis that it may be come to an end in the end of the October after Durga Puja over. Someone says no, after Durga Puja is Ma Daiti or the Devi is coming, therefore it will complete. Someone says no, it will complete after you may be called as that your in different invention or different medicines or different things are there. Break तो नहीं सर. अच्छा. So we are having different type of your hypothesis or maybe called assumption. Assumptions means nothing. It is called as the guess. Guess for some your event or some type of theory. When it is scientifically proved, which can be ratified empirically. Empirically means what? Empirically means here scientifically. Empirically called as scientifically. When it is scientifically proved, then it is called as a theory. Take for example your Montesquieu's theory of separations, or maybe called as that your Dicey theory of or rule of law, or maybe called as your Thomas of theory of your Leviathan or sovereignty or anything else. So these theory are ratified or these theory are scientifically they are proved relating to a different type of political phenomena. So whenever we have to make an hypothesis, you have to make a guess, and when it is scientifically proved, then it is called as a theory. If it is not proved, then it cannot be called as a theory. We are having different theories are there in the world. Second thing is that the political theory deals with political phenomena that focus on an organized inquiry to describe, explains, predicts the political phenomena, political events and political behavior. Students, तमें जब slides मु परे share कर देबी तमें नहीं जो किसी लिखिवा आवश्यक नहीं, direct एटा को बुझियो को चेष्टा करो. आउ कुछ doubt थिले मते last रे पचर. Political theory deals with political phenomena that focus an organized inquiry to describe. What is meant by organized inquiry? Organized inquiry means the systematical inquiry. to describe, to explain, and predict. First of all, you have to describe, then you have to explain, then to predict what will happen in the political event and the political behavior. Then the next one is called as that it attempts to arrive at generalizations, inferences, or conclusion with the help of all disciplines. It attempts to arrive generalizations, inferences, or conclusion with the help of all disciplines. We are having generalizations. Generalizations means what? It may be called as a conclusions. Generalizations is nothing but it to draw some generalized your ideas to having a conclusion or to give a conclusions. Then it is the result of thought and research of many scholars and exponents of political science. The thought and research of many scholars like Aristotle, Plato, Machiavelli, John Goda. So different political thinkers are there. They are giving their political thoughts and political ideas that are combined in one book that is called as the political theory. So according to Savine, political theory is quite simply man attempts to consciously understand and solve the problem of his group life and organize. Political theory is nothing but we have to consciously means honestly and actively understand our different problems are there. We are suffering from different problems, and political theory helps in our individual social and in our group, and we have to apply the political theory in the tool lab. The next one is called the political to show a in practice, but also show what it means and what it ought to be. Sound is not clear. Come by. Acha. Student sound clear आसुनी जदि मते टाइप करके दियो जदि ब्रेक होची स्प्लिट होची मझिरे मझिरे जदि मो स्पीड होची जदि आउ टिके धीरे कर
नहीं एबे ठीक अछि आछि चल
कि उडे लेखि कि दोजी सर साउंड इज नॉट क्लियर तो सेति लागि पचाली हां कि लिखि जिबा नीरज नाही केटा मनोज महापात्र से लेखि चंदी साउंड इज नॉट क्लियर मैडम आउ टिके धीरे कइले तारा नेट प्रॉब्लम थी बछुआर नीरज महापात्र तम नेट प्रॉब्लम थी देखो students, so it is a discipline which investigates the political problem not only to show what a political in practice but also to show what it means. What is the meaning of discipline here? Discipline means here it is an academic studies. The political theory is an academic studies which investigates. Investing means inquire. It means that gote jinso ko ami jetolo tana khana babare I will take the help of Odia because there is a little bit of problem of to the students. So somehow I will for your help I will utter Odia. So it is a discipline investigates the political problem not only to show what is political in practice but also to show what it means and what it ought to be. It will not stress upon the present of a things but it goes for the future of a things. So this is called as the political theory. Now we have to distinguish between political theory, political thought, political philosophy. These things are there. Because in political science, where different concepts are there, like comparative politics, international relations, your different institutional institutions, different things are there. But for you students, you always confused about is political thought is political theory or political philosophy is political thought, or what is the difference between political theory and political thought? So these things are consisting of three your tense of English words that is called as the present tense, past tense and the future tense. Political theory that is related with the each or maybe called as the present tense of every type of political events. Political thoughts that is related with thank you. The political thought relates with slow पढ़ान्तु. अच्छा ठीक है. Slow पढ़ान्तु, slow पढ़ाऊँगी. Political thoughts relates with about the your past politics, or maybe called as that the past tense, and political philosophy that is based upon the present tense. It means that, take for example the state. We are having how many elements of the state? 4 elements of the state. So whenever we study about political theory, we have to analyze whether the state has only the 4 elements or any other element is added in it. Take for example, it may be added to another element that is called as international recognitions. So political theory, if we are emphasizing upon the political theory, the state has no 4 elements, but it coming about the 5 element, that is populations, territory, government and sovereignty with the political recognitions. So political theory that is consisting of what politics is, political thought relates with what politics was, and political philosophy that relates with what it ought to be. What ought to be means what it would be. Take for example, in political thought, what do you mean by the political thought? Political thoughts means ideas of different type of political thinkers. Take for example your Aristotle. He has given different type of views regarding the state, education, and Plato, Machiavelli says about the modern politics. Your Cicero, so different political thinkers are there. They are giving different views regarding and it emblemed or it combined in one book that is called as the political thought. So it is called as the past politics. And in political philosophy, we are having one thing, that what should be the norms, what should be the value. New Kalmats, huh? What should be the norms, what should be the values, what should be the ideas, and what it ought to be. Norms, values and ideas, it relates with different type of the principles of the political philosophy. For example, in the Plato, we are having the Plato's ideal state. Ideal state means what the state ought to be. That is called as the political philosophy. Rashtra kono achi, that is called as the political theory. Rashtra kono thila, that is called as the political thought. So we are having each, was and will be. These things combined with political theory, political thought, political philosophy, these are interrelated with one to another. If you didn't understand about the political thought, we can't understand about the political theory. If you didn't understand about the political theory, then you cannot having any speculations or any idea about the political philosophy. So political philosophy, it may be called as an inquiry or generalizations of ideas relating the different type of concepts or political concepts or political debates. Political thoughts means it is called as that the ideas of great political thinkers. And political philosophy means it may be called the speculations of ideas. It may be, may not be, ought to be, ought not to be. So it may be called as the speculation of different type of political philosophy. Then, do you think that there is the need of political theory in the present world, or there is the need of political philosophy in the present world, or there is the need of political your thought in the present world? Yes, there is the need of political theory, because we are believing in the present world. In the age, political theory is emphasizing on the age or the present situations. So we believe upon the need of the political theory, because there are different points are there. One is called as the systematic analysis of political facts. In political theory, there is the systematic analysis of political facts. What do you mean by systematic? Systematic means whenever we read about particular political concepts, we have to go through where it has been started, whether it has been applied, what are the different type of implications of this concept, and what should be the generalizations, and it was validated different type of political thinkers. For example, your law. Okay, where it has been published, what are the different type of the source of the law, and whether the country has applied the law or not. Or maybe take another example that is called as the democracy. Democracy is also a political theory. Where it has been started, the Greek. Whether it has been the direct democracy or indirect democracy, yes, direct democracy. What is the merit of direct democracy and what is the merit of indirect democracy? Democracy is good for which form of government? The democracy, or we maybe go for the types of democracy or Aristotle type of democracy. It means that there are different type of applications of democracy depending upon the situations. So here, it may be called as a systematic analysis of political facts. It means that we will not jump from one to another facts in order to generalize or in order to arrive at a particular type of conclusions. We have to go or we have to study systematically regarding a political facts or political events. Second one is called as that analyzing and explaining the relationship between two political facts. What do you mean by the analyzing and explaining the relationship between the two political facts? The two political facts, take for example, in England, in 1650, there was your death of your the death of your John Doe. At the time, what will happen? There is different type of problems are there, and there is the advent, or there is, you may be called the introductions of your Hobbes, or the theory of individualist theory, or the theory of the sovereignty was there. So if we explaining or maintaining the relation, why it was evolved in England, what are the different type of problems are there in England, whether we have to whether what is the main cause of the theory by your death of your second judge, what is the different things are there, we have to analyzing and explaining the two political facts. Take for example, whenever we are having the type of democracies are there, in England there is monarchical form of government, in India there is called as the democratical form of government. We have to making a analyze, or we have to making a relationship between the two political events, which one is the better one and which one is the lower one in our political theory. Then the next one, in political theory, we making different type of conducting research or conducting further study to do the research. And the next one is called to take for example, you may ask about what do you mean by the conducting further research. Take for example, political party. We may make the research about the political parties, whether the multi-party system is the good or whether the bi-party system is good, whether in Odisha there is another opposition political party is there, or whether there is a chances of another political. So we make research on different type of political parties in our political. So we can take the help of your elements of political theory to do more and more research. The next one is called to generalize a political act or event and draw a conclusions. We have to make to generalize our political act or events and to always make a conclusion or to draw a conclusion in order to build our political theory. Okay, students. Then there are two approaches of political theory. One approach is called as the traditional approaches, and second one is called as the modern approaches. Traditional approaches कहले कौन बुझुछ जो approaches टा सबुटु पुरुना, and modern approaches कहले कौन बुझुछ जो approaches टा वर्तमान नुआ है कि तमरा start है. In traditional approaches we are having different approaches like in traditional approaches we are having different type of approaches like that of your historical approaches, philosophical approaches, legal approaches. So these approaches are there that are quite old. So it has its value or it may not its value depending upon our system and depending our situations. Why it is called as that the approaches? Why what is the meaning of your approaches? Approaches is nothing, but it may be called as that. It may be called as a techniques. The meaning of approaches is nothing, but it may be called as the techniques. So technique means what? The technique means may be called as that the input, or maybe whether you can apply it or not apply depending upon you. But you have to go through the technique. In which technique is suitable for which type of situations. In traditional approaches, we are having the traditional approaches can be categorized or having the different your characteristics. or meaning. The first one is called is that it emphasizes on more on values than on facts. What is the meaning of values here? Values means what? That is called as that may be called as that it had its applications, whether it has been applied or whether it has not applied, but it may not goes for the facts. It was applied or not applied, that does not depends, but it always goes for the values. Values means give merit to the society. Second one, it cannot be scientific, it cannot be proved, it cannot be empirical. एटा को आमे प्रूफ करि परिबा नाही. Third one, it emphasizing upon the political structure. So what do you mean by the political structure? Political structure means here the political, your legislative, executive, judiciary, political parties, interest groups. So these the institutions that structure or that make the political system, that are called as that the political structure. So emphasizing upon the political structures. So we have gone through these four types of traditional approaches: philosophical, historical, institutional, and legal. First approach we are going to discuss about the philosophical approaches. The philosophical approaches, the first approaches out of the total approaches or the total traditional approaches. It is the most oldest approaches in our political science. It is the most oldest approach. Why it is the most oldest approaches? Because from before the traditional approaches, there was no other approaches are there. We may be we may be give your credit to the Plato and Aristotle to the theory of your philosophical approaches, because they have given different type of speculations of idea to the political theory in the philosophical approaches, like that of Plato's ideal state, Plato's theory of justice, Aristotle's slavery. Okay, so these things are there in the philosophical approaches of that. So the pioneer, or maybe called we have to give the credit of these two political thinkers to the philosophical approaches. The modern philosophical approaches, we may having the great supporter of the Plato and Aristotle is called as the Leo Strauss. Okay, Leo Strauss, he supports the theory of the Plato and the Aristotle. He may be called as the one of the supporter of the theory of the political philosophy of the Plato and the Aristotle. ए भितरे किछि डाउट नाही, कारण ए जिंस रे चारिटा जिंस आसीबो. फर्स्ट होजी it was the oldest one because it emphasizing upon only on during the time of the Greek city states. In the Greek city states, the two eminent political philosophers are there. One is called as the Plato and second one is the Aristotle. And in the modern world after 1950, the Leo Strauss is one. I think that spelling is that is incorrect. In the these things you're in the present sense, your Leo Strauss is there, who is the main supporter of the theory of the Plato and the Aristotle. Then the traditional approaches, the second approaches that is called in the traditional approach, the second approach is called historical approaches. What is historical approaches? History, it means that historical approaches that is always focused on three factors. The one is called as the age, second one is called place, and third one is called as the situations. What was the age? It may be the ancient age, it may be the modern age, or maybe it may be called as the historical age. What is the age? Second one, place, where it was evolved, whether it was evolved in England, Greece, France, Germany, anything else. Third one is called as the situations. What was the situations there? Whether there was the anarchical situations, or maybe called as that as a good situations, or maybe called a timocracy situations. What was the situations by which the people has given different type of political thoughts to the world? Second one is called as the study of historical approaches is always emphasizing every political reality to analyze any situations. To analyze any situations, the history relates history to take for example, we are facing economic crisis, whether in past. So whether there is a economic crisis in the past, what was the problem? What was related things or phenomena that are related with that type of crisis? Whether on crisis that the people that having any type of any type of generalization or any type of solutions to that type of your aspects. So it may be called as that the study of history of every political theory is required to analyze not present situation, but to any situation. Another, there is spelling mistake. Sabine, S-A-B-I-N-E. That is not B. So jaldi more B. That is S-A, Sabine. Machiavelli, Sabine, and Downing, Robert Downing. He considered politics and are related, just like his mother and sisters. And the study of politics should have the historical standpoints. If we study the politics, then we have the strength on the historical level. If we are doing anything of politics, then we have to root habits historical roots. So there is your maybe called as the root and fruit relationship between the your politics and the history. One Sabine says S-A-B-I-N-E. One Sabine says that history without politics have no roots, and political science without history has no fruits. History without politics has no roots, and political science without history has no roots. That word was quoted by Sabine. So here, politics is the roots and history is the roots. If history is not there, then how can politics is possible? If politics if history is the root and political science is the fruits. So if root is not there, then is it possible to get the or to ripe the fruits? If fruits is not there, then there is no use of roots. Jodi gachho thibo phol niyati abasyaka, jodi gachho achi phol nai taro tale tar bi applications kichi bi nahi. So these things are interrelated with one. I am not saying this word was quoted by Sabine. G.H. Sabine. G.H. Sabine. S-A-B-I-N-E. History is the past politics and political science is the present history. What is now we are facing now, that becomes the tomorrow's histories. वर्तमान आमे जोड़ा फेस करूचे, जोड़ा आमे पॉलिटिकल साइंस रे आमे वर्तमान पढुचे कोरोना रे एतिकी लोक मलेनी, गंजाम रे एतिकी लोक मलेनी किबा कोटी कोन प्रॉब्लम हेलानी. एटे वर्तमान रो जोड़ा आमे पढुचे आ पेपर रे वर्तमान इज ए पार्ट ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स. वर्तमान नरेंद्र मोदी रो गोटे पॉलिटिक्स रो जो पार्ट ठीक अछि, जतरो हमर पीढ़ी जाय के जतरो आउरी पीढ़ी माने आसीबे एंड से हमर जो डिसेंडेंट्स एक आसीबे, फॉर देम व्हाट इज दिस ना दिस बिकम्स एन हिस्ट्री. तमे जतरो बड़ होबो तम छुआ माने ए जिनिसटा कोन होबो तम पई गोटे सेमान पई गोटे हिस्ट्री होबो, किंतु तम पई वर्तमान कोन गोटे पॉलिटिकल सब पार्ट ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स सब रहछ. हिस्ट्री इज द पास्ट पॉलिटिकल एंड पॉलिटिकल साइंस इज द प्रेजेंट हिस्ट्री. सिमिति व्हाटएवर वी विल डू वी हैव टू बोरो फ्रॉम द हिस्ट्री. जदि तार किछ आमे कोन करछ गोटे प्रॉब्लम अछि, प्रॉब्लम रो सॉल्यूशंस दरकार, वी हैव टू बोरो फ्रॉम द हिस्ट्री. Then political science should include right of political thinkers from the time of Plato. Political science should include the right of political thinkers from the time of Plato. And according to Sabine, the three elements are important in political theory. One is called as the facts, thought, and policies. If we are going towards your historical approaches, then according to G. Sabine, who is the founder of the theory of the behavioralism, who says that the political theory is different wings of the three steps is called facts. Second one is called as causes, and one is called as the evaluations. Facts means what? The events, the factual events. Second one is the what is the meaning of the causes here? The causes means what is the main things that has been rooted out these type of events. And what is the type of evaluations? Making evaluation means by comparatively by making comparison your event to the past events. Do the evaluation and making it generalizations or giving it feedbacks. So Savai says that three things are important. One is called as that this, and second one is called as cause, and third one is called as that the evaluations. Process had all its your limitations are there. What is the first limitations? The first limitations is there. The first thing is called hard to find relevant facts, because you don't know whether, take for example, we are talking about that Mahabharata was happened nearly for 18 and a half days. But we don't know whether it was or not. But we applied different type of techniques of Mahabharata, or maybe we are not applying. Machiavelli applied different type of techniques of Mahabharata in the political thought. But do you know whether Mahabharata was happened in the past or not? It was hard to find the relevant facts. So that Mola pare tanko mundo da anikri hatir mundo ilo pare. Is it possible? Animal head, male head racing lagi jibo. Kintu ame ko tara ame tara dekhune prakriti eta heichi ki nai. We are having the application. We are believing upon the Gita. We don't know whether Gita is there or not, but we believe because we believe which one was suitable or comfortable to us. जोड़ा हमको भल लागुची आमे एटा ही विश्वास, जोड़ा हमको भल लागुनी आमे एटा को विश्वास करूना. So history does not have it. We have to believe. We have to believe. Is it possible for you? Doing so much of work and we are not going for the fruits. These are called as the history. They are not having any type of relevant pick. They are not scientifically proved. We have to believe. We are not having any type of options are there. Somebody says that, take for example, misuse of history. The historical approaches is in the historical approaches there is the misuse of history. Misuse of history. Take for example in Mahabharata. Some says that Mahabharata was not written in 18 days. Some says that no, it was not happened. So it was sometimes misused. Depending upon the always what will happen. History can be applied depending upon the situations, depending upon the applications. But sometimes without having any type of knowledge, we are misuse the history. Because history always repeat, but we are misusing our history. Take for example, Karl Popper, who is the, you may be called as that, the father of the theory of the communisms. Okay. Misuse of historicisms. Why he criticizes the Marx and Hegels of the theory of the misuse of history? Because Hegel, who is the founder of the theory of the rights, and the Marx, who is the theory of the history. What is the meaning of dialectical materialism and historical materialism? Because Subuni Pila Subuni. Sound quality is so much bad. The voice is clear and so. कौन लिखले और न जा करिवो सर साउंड आसुनी कि
साउंड आसुजी तो
आपण पिला माने
साउंड
चैटिंग रे
आसुजी
लेखुछन साउंड
हां लेक्चर
ताले
किछि
मु
बिला
प्रोसीड
लेक्चर साउंड आसुनी बोली
मु
किंतु
प्रोसीड
मते तो
करिवि ना
साउंड
वेट
ठीक
करिवि
आछि नहीं नहीं
प्रोसीड
प्रोसीड
करिवि ना वेट
करंदो किछि
करिवि
बिला सुनबा ना ए
नहीं
प्रोसीड
किछि
करंदो
असुविधा नहीं कहिवि माने 5 मिनिट वेट करिवि 2 मिनिट
नहीं तांकर तो साउंड जार कार कि आस्तव ता नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम मैंने करथिबो ना
हां
आपण कंटिन्यू
आपण
कर
को तो
मैंने
मोर
पढ़ा लिखिबे
मोर
ना
आपण का आवाज तो मते
मते
पूरा
साउंड
क्लियर
ठीक
आसु
अछि रिकॉर्डिंग ठीक अछि
चलछि
हां
तो
रिकॉर्डिंग ठीक होजे दे कैन हां हां चलंदो से
they
माने
are having their own
तांको लिंक
problem
दे
I
दे
think
हां दे आर हैविंग देयर ओन प्रॉब्लम एंड दे कैन विजिट द लिंक आल्सो
आपण कहि दियंतु से माने
the recording version actually the recording version will be available in the RC One website
हां
after the class they can visit the site and as per their own convenience they can view the video
अच्छा
so it's not a problem you can continue
ओके सर थैंक यू एक्चुअली पिला माने तमे प्रॉब्लम कले मु जो माने गोटे डेप्थ रे जाई थाउची मु आथरे भूली जाउची सेटा गोटे असुविधा कारण मु पढेला बेले को मु
हाँ
मोर
हाँ
कोनोसी हेल्पिंग
नहीं
न
मैं बुझिली
थाए हां
हाँ
कोन
नहीं से
सब
गोटे
कि एटा माने प्रॉब्लम
फ्लोटा
है
मोड है हाँ फ्लोटा मोड
हां
है
মই भूलिली मु पढिथिली तापरे पिला माने
हाँ
चैटिंग मु देखुची पिला माने लेक्चर नॉट ऑडिबल बोले मो मुंडो खराब हो जाउची अच्छा वन
नहीं
मिस्टेक्स इज
साउंड तो
देयर one is Karl Popper that was also spelling mistakes that is Karl that is not Carl more Karl Karl Popper who criticized the Marx and Hegel for the misuse of historicism. Marx is the your maybe called as that the pioneer of your historical materialism and Hegel who is the dialectical materialism. What do you mean by the materialism? Historical materialism means he says that from the history, the present things are common. Is the past qualities and the qualities if there was happened, then it so it says about the historical the matter coming from the history. Therefore, it is called as the historical materialisms. And again, Hegel says that is called as the dialectical materialisms.
excuse me madam sorry to disturb you टिके ऑडियो टा टिके क्लियर आसनी
ऑडियो टा
टिके क्लियर आसनी
आगे आगे ओके सर गोटे सेकंड
हां
इस देख लो देख लो एबे आसले कि सर
पिला माने समस्त हां एबे ठीक आसला पिला माने समस्त टिके वीडियो ऑफ करंतु आलिभा स्वाई वीडियो ऑफ करंतु हां पंकज वीडियो ऑफ करंतु रश्मिता स्वाई वीडियो ऑफ करंतु वीडियो काहे ऑन कर दोनी वीडियो ऑन कले बेसी डाटा लॉस हबो रस आलिभा स्वाई
होय जने माने मो एबे देखिया कथा नै करे देखि
आलिभा स्वाई वीडियो ऑफ करंतु आलिभा स्वाई ऑफ योर वीडियो पंकज वीडियो ऑफ करंतु रश्मिता वीडियो ऑफ करंतु रश्मिता प्लीज ऑफ योर वीडियो आलिभा स्वाई ऑफ योर वीडियो तले गोटे वीडियो दिया है ताको वीडियो टाको क्रॉस कर दियंतु तले वीडियो ऑप्शन अछि तले रश्मिता ऑफ योर वीडियो रश्मिता ऑफ योर वीडियो प्रज्ञा ऑफ योर वीडियो ओके मैडम
सर टिके फास्ट हे जाउची की क्लास
हां टिके फास्ट है पिला माने की कहउछन कि टिके आउ टिके स्लो कर दियौ न कि जस्ट जाने तो भाई भी चलियो
अभी स्लो कर दे अभी स्लो कर दे
हां बेसी स्लो वाला भी शेष हो ना ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଘଣ୍ଟା ଅଛି ନା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଘଣ୍ଟା ଅଛି ନାଇଁ ମଝିରେ ଅଡିଓଟା ଟିକେ କ୍ଲିୟର ହଉନି ବୋଲି ପିଲା ଟିକେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ କେତେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ତେଣୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ କୋଉଥିରେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନିଜ ଇୟରଫୋନ କରି ରଖିଛନ୍ତି ଲାପଟପ୍ ତ
ଲ୍ୟାପଟପ୍ ରେ
ଆପଣ ଲାପଟପ୍ ହଁ ନାଇଁ ଇୟରଫୋନ ୟୁଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ଓପନ ରେ
ନାଇଁ ମୋ ଇୟରଫୋନ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଓପେ
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା ହଉ
ସେଠି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ
କିନ୍ତୁ ୱାଇଫାଇ ଟା କୋଉଠି ରଖିଛନ୍ତି ନାଇଁ ଯୋଉ ଅଡିଓ ବ୍ରେକ୍ ହଉଛି ଆପଣ ନେଟୱାର୍କ ଭଲ ଆସୁଛି ସେଠି ରଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି
एक्चुअली मोर मोबाइल रे तो हॉटस्पॉट
ମୋବାଇଲ ଟା କୋଉଠି ଅଛି ମୋବାଇଲ ଟା ଟିକେ ବାହାରେ ରଖିକି ତାକୁ ୱାଇଫାଇ ରେ କନେକ୍ଟ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ହଟସ୍ପଟ ରେ ମୋବାଇଲ ଟା ଟିକେ ବାହାରେ ରଖିକି ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ତାକୁ ହଟସ୍ପଟ ରେ କନେକ୍ଟ କରିକି କଲେ ଦେନ୍ ଇଟ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ୱାର୍କ ରଶ୍ମିତା ସାହୁ ଭିଡିଓ ଅଫ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ରଶ୍ମିତା ସାହୁ ଅଫ୍ ୟୋର ଭିଡିଓଟା ସମସ୍ତେ ଅନ୍ କଲେ କ'ଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ହଉଛି ବ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡୱିଡଥ୍ କମ୍ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଠିକରେ ଶୁଭିବନି ରଶ୍ମିତା ସାହୁ ଅଫ୍ ୟୋର ଭିଡିଓ ओके मैडम हमें कंटिन्यू करिए ओके मैडम लेट अस कंटिन्यू मैडम आर यू देयर हेलो ओके मैडम
हेलो एबे सुबुची
हाँ एबे सुबिला ठीक ମୁଁ କହୁଥିଲି କି ମୋବାଇଲ ଟା ଆପଣ ବାହାରେ ରଖିକି ତାକୁ ହଟସ୍ପଟ ରେ କନେକ୍ଟ କଲେ ହବ
ଗୋଟେ ଜିଓ ଗୋଟେ ଏୟାରଟେଲ ଆପଣ ଯୋଠି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ମତେ ସେ ଆରଟା ସୁଇଚ ଅନ୍ କରୁଛି
ହଁ ଜିଓ ଟା ଭଲ କାମ କରିବ
ହଁ ଦୁଇଟା ଜାକ ଧର୍ମ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ ଆଦି ତ
ଜିଓ ରେ ଭଲ କାମ କରିବ ଏବେ ଆପଣ କୋଉଟା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଜିଓ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ନାହିଁ जियो टा तो भलो
तमे जियो करतली सेटा खराब हेले वर्तमान एयरटेल चलची एबे
हां हां ठीक अछि देखियो
किछ असुविधा नै मते स्प्लिट अब आपण मते कहबे
हां 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 ओके ओके मैडम कंटिन्यू
again so we are having different limitations of the historical approaches. The first one is hard to find relevant facts whether the facts is true or not. Second one is the misuse of history. Misuse of history means if you are not know about the applications of the different events, there was the misuse. Third one is called as that the Karl Popper criticized the Marx and Hegel for the misuse of historicisms. And David Stern held responsible for the decline of the political theory. So these things are called as that. There are the, you may be called the limitations of the historical approaches. What do you mean by that? Your David Stern held responsible for the decline of political theory because the political theory that was not evolved after 1950. It was not evolved. It was directly goes for give the credit to the John Rawls during the time of 1971, during the time of the theory of justice. So before that, the political theory is totally in a decline stage. So we are giving your you held responsible to David Easton for the decline of the political. म्यूट करो पिला माने म्यूट
ओके ओके मूवमेंट करो
निजा म्यूट जी
ओके मूवमेंट करो ओके ओके मैडम
हां सर से माने को म्यूट करी आपण कले हबो कि सर समस्त को म्यूट कर दियो
हां हम करू मधु नहीं से माने मधु अनम्यूट कर परबे जे किंतु से माने अनम्यूट कर दसनी दिके
अच्छा और चालीबो एमदी असुविधा जानचन ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन भीतर एडे ही तो डिफरेंस
हां हां
then then the second approach is after your approaches. This is the second type of usual approaches. Institutional means here that is called as that is relating with the institutions. What do you mean by the institutions? Institutions means the formal structure. The formal structure, that is not formal future, that is called as the formal FORMAL, formal TUCURE, formal structure of government and politics. Formal structure deals with your legislature, executive, judiciary, interest groups and political parties. The legislature means whether it is the bicameral legislatures, unicameral legislature, maybe called as the plural, to institutions that is called as the machinery of a government. Study out the mission of a particular type of a government. What is the machinery? Machinery means what? That we are having three type of organ: legislature, executive, and the judiciary. Okay, so when we study about the legislature, executive, independent judiciary, interest groups, political parties, that are coming under the institutional your approaches. In comparative politics, we are having the institutional approaches. In international relations, we are also having the institutional approaches. So don't be confused about what do you mean by an institutional approaches. Institutional approaches means the study of different type of institutions. It also to the history. In the if we are turn the pages of the history, then we can say that what in England and what are states of America. Now the US is comprised of 13 colonies, or it is the modern.
मैडम ऑडियो ब्रेक होची होची मैडम ऑडियो ब्रेक
आज्ञा आज्ञा जियोटा करे और बड़ प्रॉब्लम हो रे जियोटा करे असुविधा ना
जियोटा करो जियोटा बेटर हो
आज्ञा आज्ञा
बेटर
चार्ज करके ईयरफोन टा लगे देबी ईयरफोन टा दे डायरेक्ट हम बोलो बेटर से क्लियर आसु हे मत इधर हेलो सर शुभुची की
हाँ ठीक है जी।
एबे शुभुची
हाँ हाँ
जियो को कली स्विच ऑन
हाँ एबे ठीक है।
आज्ञा से प्रज्ञा प्रज्ञा तमे वीडियो रे अछो स्विच ऑफ करो प्रज्ञा प्रभा
प्रज्ञा सुन रहा है? प्रज्ञा वीडियो ऑफ करो। प्रज्ञा वीडियो ऑफ करो। प्रज्ञा वीडियो ऑफ करो ना तुमको आउट कर देबो। प्रज्ञा if you listening to me please switch off your video otherwise you...
so let's start.
प्रज्ञा okay madam now we can continue.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, institutional approaches, it deals with the machinery of the government like legislature, executive, judiciary, interest groups, and political parties. The supporter of these approaches are both ancient and the modern one. The ancient your political philosophers like that of Aristotle and Plato, and the modern political philosopher are H.J. Lasky. Okay, because whenever we go to the Lasky emphasizing upon what that is called as that the political executives, and Aristotle who emphasizing upon what he also emphasizing upon the role of the state, the role of the government, and the role of an ideal state. So both political philosophers they are believing upon the institutional approaches. Okay, the institutional approaches is nothing but it is called the formal structure of a political phenomena. It can include
hello madam phone break है
approaches. What do you mean by the legal? Legal approaches means what? That is called as that basing upon the rule and regulations. Okay, rule and regulations. This approach considers that the state is the fundamental organizations for the formulations of law. The state is the fundamental organizations for the formulations of law. It says that without the state, no one is there who will formulate, who will implement, and who will force the law on the citizens. So it says that the state is the fundamental, or without the state, there is no law. There will not be law, and there was not law. The legal approaches also deals with the legal processes, the legal bodies, the legal institutions, and the judiciary. The legal institutions means what? That is otherwise is called as the judiciary. Judiciary means what? That is the Supreme Court and that is the High Court. What is the legal processes? What are the legal processes by which the president can elect? What is the legal processes by which the prime minister can be judged? What is the legal process by which can the Lok Sabha can be judged? So these are things that are related with different type of rules and regulations that are related with the legal approaches, that are not related about the criminal cases and the civil cases. You may say that legal means what? How can a person can be confiscated? How can a person can be go to the death? And that is not called as the legal process. Legal processes means what? The process that deals with the different type of the rules and regulations, norms and behaviors. Then we can go, the great supporter of the legal approaches are called as that Cicero, Jean Bodha, Thomas Hobbes. There is a spelling mistakes of Thomas Hobbes, 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 Thomas Hobbes, John Austin, Dicey, and Sir Henry Maine, Maine. Sir Henry Mann. First one is called as the Cicero. Cicero is famous for the rule of law. Bode is famous for the sovereignty. Thomas Hobbes, he was famous for the theory of the sovereignty, individualistic theory, the theory of sovereignty, and the theory of the Leviathan. The Thomas Hobbes is a great individualistic. What is the meaning by individualistic? Individualistic means emphasizing or giving importance from an individual concern, not on a state concern. Then John Austin's theory of justice. Then Dicey's theory of rule of law. And Sir Henry Mann regarding the theory of your separations of power. So these political thinkers are there. They are famous for their different type of the legal bodies. What do you mean by the separation of power? Separation of power means what? The judiciary is separated from the legislature and the executive, and one of the independent agency of the state. There is no political control upon the judiciary, and there is no legislative control upon the judiciary. It means that we know that the prime minister is elected from the parliament, so he is not responsible to legislature, or he is not responsible to the judiciary. So he says that there is called as the separation of power. Everyone is doing their own duty without disturbing the other's portfolio. Judiciary is doing his duty. Legislature is what is the main duty of your executive? To execute the law. What is the main duty of the legislature? To make the law. And what is the main duty of the judiciary? To interpret the law. So every organ is doing their duty without interfering the work of the others. That is the theory of the separation of power. Dicey says that the rule of law, what do you mean by the rule of law? So there is the depth of knowledge about the rule of law and the procedure established by law. Sometime questions will come about what do you mean by rule of law? What do you mean by the procedure established law? So if we are going to the depth of these things, then what will happen? With nearly your 4 hours or 5 hours is required. So I will not go to the just for your syllabus what it covers. I only giving the knowledge for this. Then we have completed about your traditional approaches. So there are 4 types of traditional approaches: institutional approaches, philosophical approaches, legal approaches, and historical approaches. And we know that these type of approaches, what they are called as that they are. These type of approaches are not empirically or maybe scientifically proven, but is there are certain type of drawbacks are there, and there are certain type of problems are there. So there is the rise of the modern approaches are there. In modern approaches, why there is the rise of the modern approaches, the revival of the modern approaches? Because the modern approaches is there to minimize the deficiency of the traditional approaches. What do you mean by the deficiency of the traditional approaches? There is some problems are there. So there is some problems are there. So in order to mitigate the problem, or in order to overthrow the problem or deficiency of the problems, the modern approaches is introduced upon the traditional approaches. Second one is called as the fact-based approaches. In the traditional approaches, that was not fact. There was no actually. It was called as a factual approach. It was not fact-based. It was not scientifically proved. But the modern approaches, it is called as the fact-based approach. What the approaches emphasize, it has its history. It has its what scientifically proof. It was scientifically proved. Otherwise, the approaches cannot be approached. Take for example, your system approach. It was proved. Behavioral approach. It was proved. Quantitative approach. It is proved. So here, what was happened? Now it is called as the fact-based approach. The next one is called as the practical story of political events. The modern approaches, it study about the political events practically. Practically means apply the approaches depending upon the situation and solve applicable or not. That is called as the practical story of a political events. you may be confused of what do you mean by the practical study of the foreign. We don't know what do you mean by practical study. Practical study means that we know that, take for example, one of the traditional approaches that is called as the what? Historical approaches. In a historical approaches, it says that one thing that is called as the democracy. Democracy means we are having two type of democracy: direct democracy and indirect democracy. In ancient Greece, there is the applications of the direct democracy. If we go through if we are having a soft corner to the direct democracy, the democracy is good one in India than to the indirect democracy, because there are in democracy what will happen? There will not any type of delay. If any type of grievances is there, then the people can directly go to the your center. Then they ventilate their grievances and they can solving their problems. So these things are happening. And if it will happen in India, then it is a good practice. But do you think that direct democracy is good or bad? So we don't know that direct democracy is good or bad. So we have to make a practical study of the political events. Sometimes we make a meeting, then we have to choose one political leader, not Narendra Modi. Any member is there. There will not any type of your qualifications is there. Just like we are having the qualification for your president or maybe the prime minister. Just randomly we can select one person having your intellectual knowledge and practical experience. Do you think the direct democracy is suitable in India? No, because if there is a box is there, who wants having certain type of problem from every political your citizens of India, then what will happen? The box will fill within a lapse of time. Within a very lapse of time, it means that in 1 minute there are many problems, and some says that what will happen in my city there is some problem, there is a road problem is there, pollution problem is, dowry problem is there, rape problem is there. Many problems, your maybe physical, psychological, mental, different problems are there. So this is not your easy to make the direct democracy or to formulate the direct democracy in the present world. So it makes the practical study of the political event, and it suggests that for making the remedy, we suggest that the indirect democracy in India. Similarly, in England, there is the monarchical form of government, but they are having the type of the democracy. In USA, there is the direct democracy because they know that the president is the head of the state. So there is the direct democracy. Then the next one is called as that it tried to arrive at scientific conclusions. It will not give any type of factual conclusions that without proving without making any type of scientific proof. It gives a scientific conclusions. Yes, if you apply this, then it will happen, and it has its proof. So don't apply these type of events or those type of things in your system, in your political systems. The aim is to replace the normative with imprecisions. You may ask about what do you mean by the normative? Normative means what? Rules and regulations. Rules and regulations means what? The factual rules and regulations without having any type of scientific proofs. We replace the normative with imprecisions. Imprecision is what? That is called as that scientifically it was proved. Then the next one is called as that marked by empirical investigations of relevant data. Taking the help of the relevant data, it was doing the investigations and giving the what? Conclusions, scientifically giving the conclusions. Then we are having the 4 types of characteristics. One is called as the draw the conclusion from the empirical data. But in historical approaches, what happened? It was not draw any type of generalize any type of conclusions from the empirical data, but it has no conclusion, it has no generalizations, it has no evaluations. But modern approach is what? It draw the conclusion from empirical data, from the scientific data. Eta apply korle thik hobo na bhul hobo. Scientifically, the data was applied and proved. And if the data is good one or your result is the good one, then what will happen? The same thing is applied in any other political system. suppose ଆମର multi party system ଅଛି, multi party system means what, ବହୁଦଳ, the political party more than the two political party, that is called the multi party system. So ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖିବା ନାଇଁ multi party system ଭଲ ନା bi party system ଟା ଭଲ, ଯେମିତି ଇଂଲଣ୍ଡ ରେ bi party system ଟା, ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ରେ multi party system ଟା, depending upon the populations, the size, the situations, what will happen, they are applying their strategy. They did not want to confuse about the multi-party system. If they are applying the multi-party system, then what will happen, there may be good, there may not be good. So the applying of the parties depending upon what, the literatures, or maybe called as that the intelligence of the voters, or maybe called as that the potential of the political your leaders. So these things are there. So depending upon this, we are choosing whether the bi-party is there, the multi-party is there. Then the next one is called as that it believes on interdisciplinary study. What do you mean by interdisciplinary study? What do you mean by interdisciplinary? What do you mean by interdisciplinary study? Interdisciplinary study means what? The discipline are interrelated. What do you mean by discipline are interrelated? It means that political theory, in the modern approaches of political theory, the theory are not only exclusively concerned to political science, but it concerned with economics, logic, philosophy, many things, sociology, okay, statistics. So these things are there that are interrelated or that are related with one to another. Okay, again scientific method that leave it, the last bullets. It believes on interdisciplinary. Interdisciplinary means that the study are related with one to another. Then we are having different type of your modern approaches. One is the sociological approaches, psychological approaches, economic approaches, quantitative approaches, simulations approaches, system approaches, and behavioral approaches. Sociological approaches means the approaches that is related with the family, society, clan, behavior, your behavior of the people, your political articulations, political mobilization. So these things, when it was there, that is called as the sociological approaches. The sociology, it means that is related with the social behavior and the society. Psychological approaches, that is related with the mind. And economic approaches, what? That is related with money related matters. And quantitative approaches means what? Quantitative approaches means that is called as that is not a subjective approaches, that is called as the objective approaches. Then the simulations, that was applied in the statistical level. And the system approaches, David Easton system approaches, it means that input, output, and throughput approaches. When we are applying the input, processing towards the throughput, and what should be its output, that is called as a system of. You will describe briefly after that. Then the last one is called as the behavioral approaches. Behavioral approaches means we are having the different type of the behavioralistic are there, like that of your David Easton is there, Charles Moore is there. So different political behavioral approaches are there. And again, one of approaches is there, that is called as the post-behavioral approaches. So if I will complete the whole approaches of modern approach, then what will happen? You may confused. So I will discuss, I think that I will discuss it in the next class regarding the modern approaches of political approaches. But before that, I will recap the one of my whole the things that will that I lesson you or teach you. The first one, meaning. You will not confuse about the theory and the thoughts. Theory means what? What is. Thought means what? What was. Thought means the ideas, the idea of the political ideas, or the great political ideas of the political thinkers. And political theory means what is, when it is applied in the event, that is called as the political theory. Political theory means it is called as that it is a investigations of a particular type of political phenomena and application of the generalizations of particular political phenomena and the applications of a particular type of political phenomena. Political philosophy means what ought to be. It is a speculations of ideas or the speculations of the great political thinkers. What ought to be. आमर जदि आमर कौन हेबा उचित. Whether it if you will apply then what ought to आमर इटा कौन हेबा उचित. कौन हेची theory कौन थिला thought कौन हबो philosophy. So these things are completely interrelated with one to another. But before that, what I taught, what is politics, what is political, what is theory, and what is political theory. Theory means what? This is called the word that is derived from the word theoria, Theoria. Then I have gone about the approaches of political theory. Two approaches: traditional approaches and modern approaches. In traditional approaches, I completed the characteristics, meaning, and types. And in modern approaches, I completed the same things. Then, in traditional approaches, there are 4 types of approaches: the historical approaches, the philosophical approaches, institutional approaches, and legal approaches. The philosophical approaches means what? This is the oldest approaches. And we have to give the credit of philosophical approaches to whom? To Aristotle and Plato. Okay. We says that we can say that the Aristotle and Plato are the main exponent of the theory of the philosophical approaches. And in modern political science, the main supporter of the philosophical approaches is Leo Strauss, Straus, not H. That is called as Leo Strauss. That is called as RUSS. Then we have covered about the traditional approaches, the historical approaches, different type of your characteristics of historical approaches, like that your Sabine theory, your Machiavelli theory, Robert Downing theory. So these they are giving the different background regarding the historical approaches. We can say that the Sabine is wholly responsible for the decline of the political theory, and the Sabine says that the historical approaches have 3 elements was there. One is called as the facts, second was cause, and third one is the evaluations. Do you know that any historical approach that was not facts was there, whether it was happen or not? But we can say that the causes are there and the evaluations are there, but there was no causes is there. There was no facts is there. So what will whether it was scientifically proved or not? So it was beyond our practices. So here different type of limitations of historical approaches, hard to find relevant facts, misuse of history, and the criticisms of the great political thinkers like that of Marx and the Hegels, and decline of the political theory holding responsible to David Easton's. Then the second approach, traditional approaches, it deals with the formal structure and the formal machineries. And the third thing is called as that the legal approaches that deals with rules and regulations, the legal bodies, process, institutions, etc. And we can say that we giving the more credit to Cicero, Jean Verda, Thomas Hobbes, John Austin, etc. And the last one is called as the modern approach, which was evolved after 1950. And for these things, we may give the credit to the different political thinkers, like you may be called as that Karl Popper, John Rawls. So these thinkers are there; they are taking the credit of the theory of the modern approach because it is a practical approaches and scientifically proved. So students, if you have any doubt, you can ask me about my slides. If you have any doubts, then ask me about your doubts. Your students, I am here. I don't have to explain that what is the political philosophy. So one student is there which asking about what is the meaning of political philosophy. Okay, students, Manoj Mahapatra. Okay, so Manoj Mahapatra, I repeated about the political philosophy. Political philosophy means what? That is called as speculations of ideas. Speculations of idea mane kono? Take for example, future रे तमे कोन हबो तमे जाननो. गोटे स्टेट अछि, स्टेट रो चारटा एलिमेंट अछि. तमे जानिचो पॉपुलेशन, टेरिटरी, गवर्नमेंट एंड सोवरेन. तमे कहबो स्टेट रो आउ दिटा एलिमेंट जदी इमिति थांता पॉपुलेशन बदला आमे जदी तार जियोग्राफी आमे जदी तार इकोनॉमिकल सिचुएशन एंड करता जदी गोटे स्टेट रो इकोनॉमिकली स्टेबिलिटी भलो थिबो ताले ताको स्टेट करिया कथा गोटे आमे गोटे जस्ट गोटे आमे कोन गोटे स्पेकुलेशंस देले गोटे आईडिया गोटे देले ओके ताको कहउजंदी कोन ना पॉलिटिकल फिलोसॉफी इट वाज नॉट if it was happen then it will good तमे जेंति कहउछ मोर चारिटा आखि थिले भलो हितांता so that depends upon what it is called as speculations it is not a factual things it is not a facts so that is called as that the speculations not the ideas of a ordinary person but the speculations of the great men of the world and the Plato the theory of the ideal state गोटे आदर्श राष्ट्र रो कोन लक्षण हेबा उचित Aristotle the theory of citizenship नेबा गले कोन हेबा आवश्यक so these things are called that is called as the political philosophy okay means modern approach started in modern approach tomorrow evolved after 1950 with the introductions of John Rawls theory of the justice Henna Josna you asked about the modern approaches and I will discuss about the modern approaches in my next class and modern approaches consisting with your behavioral approaches post behavioral approaches your in the statistical approaches simulations approaches system approaches and among many approaches the most two important approaches are there that is called as the system approaches and the behavioral and the post behavioral approaches I have a doubt on practical study of political but Jaydeep Kumar Mohanty I have a doubt on practical study of political events काहे कि तुमको डाउट अछि political event जतरो तमे गोटे रिसर्च करूचो मोर सपोज मोर तमे गोटे पेपर लगो जोटा इंटरनेशनल पेपरटा जाईची पॉलिटिकल पार्टी सुस्मिता पटनायक ताको मारी कि देखो जोडारे मु टोटल इलेक्शन हमर ओडिसा इलेक्शन मु स्टडी करछि 50 वर्ष ओडिसा रा इलेक्शन स्टडी करछि जोडारे मु तुमको देखैछि तारा प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशंस एक्चुअली तारा एप्लीकेशंस हेछि ना ना जतले कि एटिरे डाउट करे किछि नाइ मैम कैन यू रिलेट द पॉलिटिकल फिलोसॉफी विथ jurisprudence yes jurisprudence you can relate the political philosophy with the jurisprudence it is a good questions Jaswant Kumar it is a good questions but if there is any type of ideas that are given by the political philosophers to the jurisprudence then it is called it can be come to the jurisprudence of the political philosophy Anamika Lenka what is the difference between political philosophy and political science तमे बारंबार गोटे सब्जेक्ट पचारुच political science that is a generic topic and political philosophy is the part of political science okay so it is a specific topic that is political philosophy and political science that is maybe called as generic topic माने main motherboard से तमरो ये होचंदी गोटे गोटे सिस्टम political philosophy political thought is some gote system so this is the differences it is the part of political science which one that is called as the political philosophy thank you so much ma'am political thought our ideology भितर difference कोन कहि सरछि तमको एटा श्री क्षेत्र प्रसाद सेठी political thought our ideology भितर difference तमको कहिछि थॉट जोटा होची तमरो historical things and ideology कोड ना वर्तमान रो सपोज तमरो ideology means what the ideas of the thinkers the modern idea ideology means it coming under the modern ideas take for example your Mahatma Gandhi's okay your Jawaharlal Nehru the theory of the socialism not the Mahatma Gandhi the theory of the your satyagraha the techniques of satyagraha that are coming under the ideology okay political thought हमर जो आमे कोन करछि जो political thought रे हमर ideology को कोन होछि जो ideas माने वर्तमान जो ट्रेडिशनल ideas आ modern ideas जो दोचंती ए धीरे जका हमर political thought भितरे आछि thank you ma'am thank you आ किछि डाउट कि छुआ माने किछि भी डाउट हले टाइप करो मोर किछि प्रॉब्लम नै आजि जदि किछि प्रॉब्लम थिबो सर को कुहो नेक्स्ट क्लास रे आमे डिस्कशन करिबा तमरो that is modern approaches more madam agone doubt sir
madam agone pila kon lekhi ji upar ete dekhi diyantu
ma'am
modern approach was started in 1950 onwards
हां कहि सालेनी
is
सर
modern approach. अच्छा
एटा तो मैम इज मॉडर्न अप्रोच
हाँ।
वाज स्टार्टेड
हाँ,
आफ्टर 1950 ऑनवर्ड्स तो कहि सालेनी
हाँ।
सर 1950 रे तमरो पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी रो डिक्लाइन हेतिला 1950 भितरे अन्य कोनोसी जिंस पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी इवॉल्व हेइ नथिला 1950 परे फर्स्ट थ्योरी जे इंट्रोड्यूस करथिले से होचनी जॉन रॉल्स द थ्योरी ऑफ जस्टिस जोडा कि 1971 रे तमरो ठीक भाबरे इमर्ज कर जोडा कि तमरो पीक पीरियड को गला सेतिले मॉडर्न अप्रोचेस जोडा हला स्टार्टिंग हेतिला 1950 परे ओके हेना जोस्ना आउ किछि डाउट अछि छुआ माने किछि डाउट थिले चैट करो नो हेजिटेशन इज देयर तमे नुआ पिला तमे जानि परिबनी सेति लागि मु फंडामेंटल को अछि गली पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी माने डायरेक्ट केही भी आसी कि डायरेक्ट स्कोप नेचर फेचर पढे दो किंतु मु चेष्टा करली प्रथमे पॉलिटिक्स कोन पॉलिटिकल साइंस कोन पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी कोन पॉलिटिकल फिलोसफी कोन एंड पॉलिटिकल थॉट कोन जदि पांचटा जिंस तमे डिफरेंसेस बुझी जीवो ताले आराम रे गोटे पिला अधिकांश स्टूडेंट्स पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी पॉलिटिकल माने मु जति पचारी पॉलिटिकल फिलोसफी रे कोन आछी जनरली वर्तमान रे भी पीजी स्टूडेंट जागो से माने कोंदी पॉलिटिकल थॉट भीतर मैडम एग्जीक्यूटिव लेजिस्लेटर जुडिशियरी आसीबो केबे आसीबो एग्जीक्यूटिव लेजिस्लेटर जुडिशियरी कोठी आसीबो तमरो थ्योरी भीतर आसीबो थ्योरी भीतर की तमरो आसीबो इंडियन गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटिक्स दैट इज ए थ्योरी थॉट भीतर कोडा आसो जो आइडियाज से का हमें दे दे थॉट ता दी भाग रे होची हमरो वेस्टर्न थॉट होची इंडियन थॉट होची ट्रेडिशनल थॉट होची मॉडर्न थॉट होची सो एटा बेसिकली डिपेंड्स करूची तमरो फंडा जो कारण तम पिला माने अधिकांश पॉलिटिकल साइंस रो नै कि मते काली फोन करथिले एजुकेशन रो कि को लेवल रो आसीचो किछि भी जति डाउट हबो तमे चैट करि पारो मु तुमको आराम रे बुझेबी किछि प्रॉब्लम नै एनी डाउट ताले चैट किछि नो हेजिटेशन रे मते चैट करि पारे और तमरो वीडियो जदी स्पीड होची कोन होची मते बुझे आ तमरो कोनोसी क्वेरी थिले सर को पछ ओके स्टूडेंट हेले भी वीडियो ऑन करि के रखि छ ओके थैंक यू स्टूडेंट एनी डाउट अनामिका लेंका तुमको पूरा बुझिला हैव यू गॉन थ्रू ऑल द अनामिका लेंका बुझा पड़ला तो पूरा ओके थैंक यू एनी अदर रेस्पॉन्स व्हाट इज द थ्योरी ऑफ साहेब भगवान मु तुमको मॉडर्न थ्योरी टा काली की पढेबी सर हेनरी मेन रो आउ मॉन्टेस्क्यू रो ए सब जक मॉडर्न थ्योरी जक काली की तुमको पढेबी एटा मॉडर्न थ्योरी भीतर आसुची आउ के पढेला ओके मैम आउ कुछ नहीं तो थैंक यू मैम आउ डाउट अछि लेखो किछ असुविधा नै छ माने नो हेजिटेशंस आस्क मी क्लास भल लागला स्पीड होची की असाइनमेंट क्लास स्पीड होची की वेलकम रश्मिता ओके जदि किछि क्लास रे जदि तमरो मोर वॉइस प्रॉब्लम रहउची बटा तो फर्स्ट क्लास थिला तमे जानि छ ऑफलाइन ऑनलाइन रे एमती प्रॉब्लम आसे किंतु मु ट्राई करबी तमरो प्रॉब्लम न हेबा पई ताले नो हेजिटेशन रे तमे सार को से तो जहां डाउट थिबे तमे सार से तो कांटेक्ट करो मते फोन करू छ तमे सार को पचारो मते सार कनेक्ट करिवे किछ असुविधा नै तमरो जहां प्रॉब्लम अछि मते पचारो मु लाइन रे अछि समस्त को ठीक लागला क्लास रोजालिन साहू गुडुली सीता तमरो बैकग्राउंड सब कोन रे पिला माने पॉलिटिकल साइंस यू आर फ्रॉम पॉलिटिकल साइंस और एनी अदर ऑनर सब्जेक्ट सल्ला
अच्छा टिके गोटे मिनिट और जार किछि क्वेरी अछि रिलेटेड टू इग्नो जार आई कार्ड मिलिनी किबा किछि असुविधा अछि तने मोडे ईमेल शेयर करछि एथरे rcbhubaneswar@igno.ac.in सेतरे सब ईमेल करंतु इग्नो रिलेटेड इनक्वारी मैडम को मुझे रिक्वेस्ट करी किछि माने पिल्ला को कहि परबे हाउ टू राइट इन ए बेटर वे इन एग्जामिनेशन इट विल बी बेटर
सर अच्छा एक्चुअली पिला माने कोन करू सपोज पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी रो गोटे कांसेप्ट आसला टेक फॉर एग्जांपल मु आज जोटा पढेली सेटा को मु पढौची suppose asila what do you mean by a political theory, generally questions ta ase, and what are the different approaches of political theory. पिला माने कोन करंती व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी माने मु जेमिति पढेली से माने जदी पूरा गोटे पेज रे पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी पॉलिटिकल साइंस एजा जदी पूरा पेज रे जाके लिखिबे एजा के लिखियार कि आवश्यक व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी में डायरेक्टली थ्योरी की तमे डायरेक्ट आसो the theory political theory means it is a generalized it is a systematic investigation of a particular political phenomena, that is political theory. तमे सेठी जदी लिखिबो political theory political कोन theory कोन thought कोन तापरे तुम पळे आसियो फिलोसॉफी कोन ए सब रे कोन होची जेतर तुमरा एग्जामिनर देखिबो तार पेशेंस नथिबो से इनटू मारबो सब जिंस बेटर political theory कोन एटा लिखि परियो political theory is a word that comes from the word political that word that comes from the politics, and from politics the politics means that is called as a city state. It has its originated from ancient Greece. The word political theory means it is a systematic investigation of a particular phenomena. Political theory believes upon the scientific your knowledge. It may be called as the continuous knowledge of a particular type of a political event. ei सब जिंस गुडा कोन हमरो इंट्रोडक्शन रे गला तापरे मु कोन डायरेक्ट आसीबी ओरिजिन को पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी रो ओरिजिन कोडी हेतिला आउ तापर डायरेक्ट आसीबी टाइप्स को केतरा टाइप्स अछि टाइप्स रे मॉडर्न टाइप्स कोन ट्रेडिशनल टाइप कोन सब जिंस गोटे गोटे करी करी जॉइन टुडेस क्लास की जने पचारची हाउ टू जॉइन टुडेस क्लास सारा अपन के देखंतु कीडा ना कोन
टुडेस क्लास
933 कोन त ना सुधीर रंजन दास ए सब जिंस रे कोन डायरेक्ट सुधीर रंजन दास देखिले लाइन रछन ना नै ए सब जिंस गुडा कोन ना तमरो डायरेक्ट तमे इंट्रोडक्शंस आसीबो मीनिंग को आसीबो ओरिजिन को आसीबो टाइप्स को आसीबो तापरे तमे जीवो कोन मेरिट को जीवो डिमेरिट को जीवो कंक्लूजन को जीवो ताहले जाय कि तमरो गोटे कांसेप्ट तमरो टोटल भाबरे कंप्लीट हो तमे कोन करछो डायरेक्ट कोन करछो जोडा पचाले जदी तार की कोन नेचर पचार नथि नेचर को पळेबे नेचर ता मिनिमम 2 पेज आसु नेचर पई गोटे स्पेशल तमरो गोटे क्वेश्चंस आसु व्हाट डू यू मीन द नेचर ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द योर एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी हमर रेलेवेंस एंड एप्लीकेशंस ता हम सिलेबस रे अछि एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी और व्हाट डू यू मीन जोटा भी आसिले तमरो फास्ट तुम मीनिंग रा लिखे तुम सेठी बाध्य तापर तुम डायरेक्ट सूचन करिवो जे तमरो क्वेश्चंस ता को ऊपर एम्फसाइज करिछि तापर तुम प्रोसीड करो किंतु पिला माने कोन करजंदी आलतू फालतू लेके कि जिंस भरे देबे जा फल रे प्रकृति रे जति पॉइंट थिबो मध्य एग्जामिनर टाइम नथि देखिया पे तमे सब जिंस सब हेडिंग दबो पॉइंट वाइज लिखियो देन दैट विल बी बेटर वन आ जति पॉइंट न दबो पिला माने रेड पेन ब्लू पेन ब्लैक पेन ए सब जिंस लिखु जन ना पिला माने कोन करजंदी पॉइंट वाइज जिंस लिखु ना ओके नमिता के असाइनमेंट विषय पचार चंदी सर आपना कहंतु पिला से कोड असाइनमेंट
तो मो ऑलरेडी लिंक देजी गोटे पिला मानगु ते लिंक इस माने पठेबे असाइनमेंट ओ आपन असाइनमेंट विषय कहया कोसुनी
नहीं मते पिला माने चैटिंग करछन तो म आपन पचार छी
ओ
सेटा आपन देबे ना
ओके let me describe about how to write the assignments. Dear students, you just download the assignment questions from the website. The English and Hindi assignment questions that can be downloaded from IGNOU website. The link is there. I will be sharing also. You can download the assignment from there, and after downloading that, you have to write the answers in A4 size paper. It's not necessary to purchase extra paper from the market. You can write in a plain paper and in your own handwriting. So first of all, the cover page is about the details of the student. Details of the student means you write down your program code, your study center code, your enrollment number, all these things, details, your address and your phone number. That is the cover page. Then comes the question. Try to attach the question just after the cover page. That means the question which you are going to answer. That is second page. Then from third page, you are now you will be starting question and answer. So from in the third page, you have to write questions in red ink and the answers in blue ink. Okay. Before writing the question and answer, you have to set margin. You have to set margin of generally 3 centimeter or 4 centimeter margin from left side. Okay, and start writing. And while writing, you have to write on one page only, and the second page you have to leave blank. That means in one sheet there are 2 pages. So in first page you have to write the question and answer, and the second page you have to leave blank. So accordingly, you write your question and answer and state the assignment responses in the order manner. In what way I have told, in that order manner you have to state the assignment and responses and just staple it and deposit at your study center. So what is the order? First one is the cover page. That means you are writing what is the details about the learner, the detail about your course and program, all these things. The first page. Then comes the question. You join the question. Then from third page you have to write your question and answers. And please keep in mind that suppose in question the question is write the answer in 500 words. So try to keep your answer within 500 or at best in 550 words. Not above the 550. Suppose the answer question is to write the answer in 300 words, you can extend up to 350 or 330 words, but not more than that. So try to keep the word limit accordingly. Because what do you mean by assignment? Assignment is just that is an exercise before going to examination. That means that is pre-examination exercise. That means this is the way that we are checking how to write the answers in examinations. Before going to examination, before attending examination, this is just a practice how to write the answer in the examinations. So that is the exercise of assignment. So before the assignment, that will be evaluated by the counselors, and they will put their comments how to write, in what way you should write better, so that you can secure the mark in a better way. So that comments that will be given by the evaluators. So before writing the assignments, so keep in mind the way that I have told, that this is the way you have to write the assignments, question and answer. This is all about the assignment question and answer. Then deposit your assignment question and answer at your study center. Since most of you belong to the January 20 batch, so you will be eligible to appear the tournament examination in December 2020. So you will be answering the assignment questions during September. So during September and October, you will be submitting your assignment responses at your study center. And during September and October, you will have to do form fill up for the tournament examination, and you will have to do re-registration for the second year also. So in September and October, you will have to do 3 works. That means one is you have to deposit your assignment, you have to take re-registration for the second year, and you have to do form fill up for the tournament examination December 2020. So all these 3 activities that you will have to continue during September or October. Okay, this is all about this assignment. Now over to Dr. Susmita Madam.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Anything else is there, you can ask also.
Okay, thank you, sir, for giving me a chance to sharing my knowledge. I will take your next class on Wednesday. No. Again, we will meet at 10 a.m. morning. Okay, thank you, students.
It's okay. Now I am requesting all the students. If you have any contact with the other students also, you can share the same information to others. They can attend the class, next classes, and the video is that will be shared in YouTube link also. The link I have already shared. The link that is related to RC Bhubaneswar website. You can visit the RC Bhubaneswar website and visit the YouTube link through RC Bhubaneswar website. So all the links and the details how about the archive ones or email ID that has been shared in chat. So you can make a copy of the chat also for further reference. So thank you all the learners, and I would like to thank Dr. Susmita Patnaik for his nice lecture, for his nice deliver. Thank you, madam. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
this nice session.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
Thank you, sir.
all. Wish you all the best.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye.